Okay, let's get started here on my DJI. It's a Air 2S. I'm gonna see how far I can fly out over the water. So we're gonna take off here.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
And every time I start this thing up, I don't know, I get nervous. But anyway, I'm gonna fly out here. I'm over the lake. So I'm gonna see how far I can fly out without losing signal. And as you can see down there at the bottom where it says distance, it's got, 700 feet. So in a mile, it's 5,280 feet. So I'm gonna see how far I can fly out here. So you guys are flying this with me. So be patient. Let's see, there at the top, you see we still have good signals. We got 97% battery life. And taking this thing out over 2-3 miles, I don't want to get under 50%, because if it lands in this water, I don't have a boat to go get this thing. So like I said, it gets kind of nerve-wracking when you're flying out this far. So right now we're a little over a half a mile out above the water, and you see I'm flying at about 79-80 feet by distance. And it's a really nice day. The wind is not blowing at all. That's why I decided to give this a test and see how far I could fly out. And I've had this thing for about 2 months now, and I really enjoy it. My son, he's making his music videos and other stuff, and I'm just flying around the neighborhood, flying. So once I go out 3,000 and something feet, it loses signal and it returns to home. And as you can see, I'm a little over a mile right now, and I got 89%. So where you see that 15:47, so I got 15 minutes and 47, 46, 44, 42 seconds before the battery goes out. So I know if I go out 3 miles and this thing is flying 30 miles an hour, so I can go in 3 minutes, I can go 1 mile. So if I'm out so far and I got 12 minutes left, hey, I ain't gonna get nothing about 3 to 4 miles. So I'm gonna have to come back around, because I don't want this thing to land in the water or the battery go dead and it lands in this water. I'm just out of luck. I have to go purchase me another one. So that'll be what, $1,800 down the drain. And as you can see, I'm at 8,900 feet. So I'm at 9,000 feet now. And the battery life is still good. We got 82%. And the signal, I got a great signal. And I'm almost 2 miles out. Well, I'm gonna play us a little music while we listening, while we flying this thing, because this flight time, I think, is right at 11 minutes. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Look at the water here over Lake Houston. And on the other side of this lake, it's a community over there, and it's nice. You got $1 million homes over there. You know, about 8 years ago, you probably buy these same homes for about $600,000, $700,000. Today, they probably are worth a little over $1 million right now. And this is a seller's market. Everybody's like my house. I can almost double, triple the price of my house if I sell it right now. So right now we're at 14,000 feet. And This thing is flying 33.5 miles per hour. You get in different zones.
Zone reached.
Different zones you will fly at certain altitudes. And you see I'm flying 100 feet. I'm not flying real high. Here go these $1 billion homes. And you can see I'm right at, what, 3 miles, 15,000 feet. Still haven't lost any signal. I probably could go another 2-3 miles, but I don't think I'm gonna take a chance with it. I know I got 71%. I have, what, 14 minutes? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around and I'm gonna put it in sports mode. And I'm gonna fly it back in sports mode. In sports mode, you don't have no tracking or anything. So if something's in the way, it's gonna run into it. The sports mode is the fastest mode. I think it could get up to about 42. I think mine have got up to 42 miles an hour. And you see I'm still about a little under 3 miles out. So like I said, this thing got, what, 7 minutes? So 3 miles out, and if it's flying 40 miles per hour, it should take me, if I can do the math right, maybe 4 minutes to get back. So about 4 minutes flying at 40 miles an hour. So if you see there to the left at the bottom, you see the red line. So I just have to follow the red line. I could have hit the home button and it would have turned around, but the home button is only gonna go like to 25 miles an hour. It's not gonna, I've tried it before where I put it on sports mode and hit home. It only travels like it's in the medium part. So it only travels 25 miles an hour. But if you stop it and put it in sports mode and return the home off and just go with it, like right there I'm getting at 42.2 miles an hour. And that's with no wind is blowing. We don't have no wind at all. And the camera still works great. I can move it up or down, move everything around. Got great signal. A little under 2 miles out. So like I said, I probably could have took this thing out. Probably another, well, we was at 3 miles. I probably could have got another mile or maybe 2 miles out. I don't know. I'm not gonna take a chance on going that far out. You know, maybe we get somebody else to make a video to do that. And plus I'm going over homes and stuff. I don't want the thing to fall out the sky and hit somebody's house. Now, if we was over water, I keep going out there a little further, but I don't want to take a chance of losing $1,800 either. Like I said, every time I take this thing out and fly, I get nervous because hell, a bird might fly into it, or you never know what might happen. And boom, once the thing go down, especially in the area I stay at, there's a lot of swamp areas out in there and government land, and if it falls out in there, I'm not going to be able to get there because it's alligators and everything out there. So I might as well write that one off. So you can see I'm a little under a mile. And right now it's what, 4 minutes. If you look to the top, 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. I think this is on the batteries. I'm not for sure. Lets me know, hey, I got 4 minutes and 9 seconds before it goes back to home. And I already got my home point located, and you can change your home position at any time. This thing moving pretty fast, 42.5 miles an hour. You can see my miles per hour kind of fluctuated a little bit because I kind of moved it to the left and right on my joystick, my remote control. See, we got 34% left, 3 minutes, 50 seconds. I can slow it down if I want to. I know I only have, what, 1,000 feet, and I'm bringing it in to land. So I'm good now. I'm not too nervous now, so I can find it if it drops right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and line everything up, and I'm gonna land it in my hand. Now I done got pretty good with catching and landing and launching this thing out of my hand. It's real simple to do. You see me sitting down there, bringing it in. So there you go. Man, this thing will go a good distance. You say I went out there over 3 miles. I probably could have got 5 miles out of it, but I wasn't gonna take a chance. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.